front of me is VIVO Y01 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find clock and tap on it. Then choose alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and tap on this blue plus icon. Following that, set up an hour and choose repeat. Now pick days of the week manually and save them by clicking on OK. Then tap on the switcher next to vibrate to disable or enable vibrations and choose alarm sound. Over here, pick one of those melodies by tapping on the best one for you and go back. But you can also just add new over here. Pick one of your sources. I will go with Send Anywhere folder, tap on the song that you wish to set up and go back. Over here you can also add a label if you want to and save it by clicking on OK. When you're ready, save your alarm by tapping on the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can switch it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. You can also get rid of it by holding it and choosing the delete icon at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!